irresistible scent of euphoric strips beckon and await penetration of the box. Arouse your senses with golden perfection, glistening, waiting to seduce your taste buds. The tantalizing chicken strips from Pizza Hut, emanating aromas of flavor that will leave you craving its euphoric bouquet of pleasures. Exhilaration in each mouthful as teeth sink into tender, juicy flesh. Light as the inviting aroma that overwhelms your senses, sending shivers down your body. Ooh, the sensation of pure satisfaction as your cravings surrender to the irresistible tender flesh within.
Can't wait to open up that box and slide in.
Come and get it.
And obviously, gonna be washing that down. Some Jameson. Hey.
Jameson. Hey.
Black Barrel.
Iconic.
Fucking brother. Iconic. Pizza Hut. Chicken strips. Looking lit. Juicy. Do you know what, yeah? My issue with all the other places we've been getting food from is that should be expensive as fuck.
Facts.
And the shit arrives. And you're left with this tiny ass portion, bro. I didn't pay all that money for this tiny ass shit. Bro, look at my size. I'm trying to eat, bro. Bro, going to Pizza Hut, trying to get this freaking chicken strips, and I was like, bro, so do I go for the medium or the large? I was like, fuck it, let's go for the large because this shit is going to be small anyways. But bro, look at the size of this thing. This is one chicken strip. That's a decent size. Pizza.
It's got some girth.
Pizza Hut.
It's got some
doing
girth.
the damn thing. It's a decent size, I have to say. And it got me thinking, maybe I should have gone for the medium. But anyways, let's get into the fucking chicken strip, shall we? Fuck. It's looking juicy. Juicy. Oh my god. Wow. Fucking lush. Jesus. Oh my days. Wow. Fuck me.
Oh, that's good.
Fucking lush. Oh my days. That's fucking ecstasy, bro. Oh my god. Fuck me, that's good. Smashing.
Nigel.
Bro, call me Nigel up in this bitch.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Amazing. Wow.
Lush.
What do you lot think about this shit?
Smashing.
I think we can all agree. For real.
Oh, wow.
Smashing. Oh my god. The bread coating that freaking exterior. The chicken inside. So fucking tender, bro. Days.
Jesus.
Wow. Fucking amazing, bro. Fuck it. I'm upping my rating, bro. I'm upping my fucking rating. My lord. Is this gonna be the first food to reach that level? Oh my god. My lord.
Jesus.
I'll put it in between.
All right.
Wow.
All right.
It's got the size going for it. It's got the taste going for it. It's got everything, bro. Bro, this sauce. Wow. Pizza Hut. Doing the damn thing. Pizza Hut.
Jesus.
Amazing. All right. I think I'm going to find it a bit difficult getting into the show today. But anyways, it's episode 10. Like I said, we're doing up sketch comedy shit, diving into that SNL style. So, first off, you all heard about freaking TD Jakes up in this bitch.
Have you ever been swallowed?
Swallowed. A sermon. If my pastor was out here preaching like this every Sunday, I'd be in church every given Sunday, bro. I'm not missing service at all. Hilarious.
I would have been
swallowed up? Have you ever been swallowed up? Have you gone through a time of swallowing where everything was overwhelming and you
Tell me, have you ever been swallowed up? I mean, is there something to